This is my shop, the Fiero shop, I like to call it. This is my engine tower. All parts of the motor which have either been restored and refurbished or in the process of being restored and refurbished. Everything laid out, ready to be put back together at first opportunity. This is the tool cart right next to the engine stand. This is what's left of the motor now after disassembly. Table, reference books. Information is the best weapon when doing a job like this. And this is my baby. This is where she sleeps while she's undergoing her restoration. Here we have all the Fiero portraits on the wall. This is my whiteboard, so I don't forget how everything goes back together. Here we go with more parts to be cleaned and refurbished. Some struts, lift controls. Here's custom workbenches built by me. Brand new GT quarter windows. New original stock, never been used. Will be the final touch on the car. A little bit of Fiero nostalgia on the walls. Here's my computer. There we go. Another little project on there. And that is my shop. Full set of wheels and tires for the car. Everything good to go. This little project's going to take a while, but when she's done, she'll be perfect.